Hello folks, this is Danielle from Martlet Investments with our November 2014 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll be discussing some of the economic events that occurred last month and give you some insight into what that means for you as an investor. We do ask that you stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. After a jittery October, November was a solid month for markets. Solid domestic indicators and big moves by central banks in Europe and China helped reassure investors that the future growth is possible. Let's take a look at what happened last month. The Bureau of Economic Analysis released its second estimate of third quarter economic growth, and we discovered that the economy accelerated to 3.9% growth. Though we don't know whether the pace of growth continued into the fourth quarter, it's still a reassuring reminder that the economy continues to do fairly well. The BEA updates their GDP reports as more economic data comes in, making each one just a little bit more accurate. So we'll be getting one more update about the third quarter in the upcoming weeks. The labor market continues to make major strides. Total non-farm employment increased significantly in November, though the unemployment rate stayed at 5.8%. More importantly, the quality of available jobs continued to improve. Since the labor market is a major engine of economic growth, we hope job gains will spur growth in other areas of the economy as well. An important gauge of consumer sentiment surged last month, climbing to the highest level seen in 7 years. Americans are feeling much better about their financial prospects. This is great for the retail sector because it may mean that Americans are ready to open up their wallets and spend just a little bit more money. Speaking of spending, the holiday shopping season officially started during the last week of November with Black Friday sales. Early reports show that spending over the Thanksgiving weekend unexpectedly dropped 12% over last year. While the results are puzzling since consumer fundamentals are much better, historical trends actually show that Black Friday sales reveal very little about how the overall shopping season is going to go. The good news is that we still have plenty of room to have a great retail season. Altogether, it looks like domestic fundamentals are in good shape. The labor market is improving, consumers are feeling optimistic, and the recent drop in gas prices is putting more money in everyone's wallets. On the other hand, slowing global growth is making companies uncertain about their prospects in the coming months, potentially making them less willing to spend. Though we're hopeful about a solid finish to the year, it's wise to prepare for some turbulence along the way. As always, we will keep you informed, and that's it for this November's Educational Economic Update. If you have any questions or concerns, please give our office a call at the number below. Once again, this is Danielle with Martlet Investments signing off for the month of November 2014. If you have any questions about what you heard in this update, or if you would like to discuss your personal financial situation with us, please give us a call at 877-768-1919. We truly would be happy to talk to you. Thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for next month's update.